Hi, welcome to Georgetown University Library. This is an online tutorial to Bibliography of Asian Studies. My name is Ding Ye. I'm the Liaison Librarian for Asian Studies and Linguistics. After watching this online tutorial, you'll be able to do simple and advanced searches in Bibliography of Asian Studies and also access academic sources from the database. Bibliography of Asian Studies is published by Association of Asian Studies. It covers humanities and social sciences. The main material types include Western language journal articles published since 1971, conference proceedings, and books and book chapters. Books and book chapters were added after 1992. Let's go to the home page of Lounger Library. On the home page, if you click on Research and choose Articles in the Databases, here you will see the A to Z list of the databases owned by Georgetown University Library. If you click on B, pull the bar down, here is Bibliography of Asian Studies, and this is the home page of Bibliography of Asian Studies database. In the search box, you may enter any keywords or authors' names as you wish. For example, if you would like to search information on Mekong River. So when you type in Mekong, the search box pops up some phrases that you might be interested. So we have Mekong River, Mekong Delta, or Mekong River Basin. Let's say if we click on Mekong River Basin as a phrase and click search. The result shows that we have 83. And out of the 83, on the left-hand side, you can see the source types. We have 19 articles and 64 books or book chapters. The publication is from 1979 to 2018. And these are some of the limiting tools that you can use to fine-tune your search. Let's say if we are only interested in the last 10 years. We have 65, and if you are only interested in linked full text, you may click here. We have 7 PDF files of the articles, and all of them are supposedly to be available in PDF files. Okay, now here in the second search box, if you would like to enter something such as China or Chinese, if you are interested in knowing the influence of China in the Mekong River, you can type in China or Chinese. If you click search, so out of the 7 PDF files, now we have 5 articles. And if you take away the linked full text, actually we should have 15. In other words, some of the articles are not available in PDF file, but you can request interlibrary loan on these articles. This concludes our introduction to Bibliography of Asian Studies. If you like additional information, please contact Ding Ye at dy33@georgetown.edu. And if you like information on other subjects, please email us at reference@georgetown.edu. Thank you very much.